What if a small, ordinary-looking Canadian penny from 2006 turned out to be one of the most misunderstood coins in modern circulation? Today on Coin Market Insider, we take a deep dive into the 2006 Canada 1-cent coin, a coin that exists in multiple metal compositions, multiple strike types, and multiple collector realities. This is not just a penny. This is a transition coin. A dividing line between eras. Stay with us till the end, because understanding this coin could change how you look at every Canadian cent you own. Historical context: Canada in 2006. The year 2006 marked a period of transition for Canada's circulating coinage, rising metal prices, cost-cutting measures, changing mint technology. The Royal Canadian Mint was quietly shifting away from traditional materials. The 1-cent coin became the testing ground. This is where non-magnetic versus magnetic cents were born. Obverse design: Queen Elizabeth II. The obverse features Queen Elizabeth II, Queen of the United Kingdom and head of the Commonwealth. Portrait artist: Susanna Blunt. This portrait is unique because no crown is shown. The Queen appears realistic and modern. The design reflects dignity without symbolism. This marked a stylistic shift from earlier royal portraits. Legend: Elizabeth II d.G. Regina. Which means, Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen. This inscription is a standard royal declaration, used across Commonwealth coinage. Obverse creator Susanna Blunt, portrait artist Susan Taylor, engraving and technical adaptation. Their work ensured the design struck cleanly on new metal compositions. Reverse design: maple leaf. The reverse of the Canadian cent is iconic. Design: single maple leaf, a national symbol representing unity, nature. Canadian identity legends: 1 cent. Canada KG. The KG initials belong to George Edward Kruger-Gray, the original designer. His design has survived decades with minimal change, a testament to its strength. Metal composition: non-magnetic. Explained. This is where things get serious. The 2006 Canadian 1 cent exists in magnetic, steel-based versions. Non-magnetic, copper-plated, zinc versions. The non-magnetic version is the one collectors focus on. Why? Because it represents a transitional strike, a limited production experiment, a material no longer used. Non-magnetic cents do not react to a magnet, making identification easy. Why non-magnetic coins matter? Transitional coins are always important in numismatics. They mark production changes, have smaller surviving populations, create long-term collector interest. Collectors worldwide track these variations. This is why the 2006 non-magnetic cent stands out. Market value and $786,205 discussion. Let's talk value responsibly. The number $786,205 is not a guaranteed value. It reflects high-grade theoretical pricing, extreme condition examples, auction speculation scenarios. Most circulated examples are common, but certified, uncirculated, perfect strike. Original surfaces. These are where real premiums begin. Grading and certification. Professional grading matters. Collectors rely on PCGS/NGC. They evaluate surface preservation, strike quality, luster. Color. Without certification, market trust is limited. Cleaning and damage warning. Never clean a coin. Cleaning removes mint surfaces, destroys value, leaves permanent marks. A cleaned coin is labeled altered surface and loses collector appeal. Storage and preservation. To preserve a 2006 cent, use mylar flips. Avoid PVC plastic. Store in dry conditions. Handle only by edges. Preservation equals future value. Global collector interest. Canadian cents are collected globally. Why? Strong documentation, royal imagery. Clear mint data. The 2006 non-magnetic cent appears in international collections. Educational importance. This coin is used to teach metal testing. Transitional coin theory. Market realism. It's a learning coin, not just a profit coin. The 2006 Canada 1 cent, non-magnetic, no Mintmark, is historically important. Materially transitional, widely misunderstood, selectively collectible. Its true value depends on condition, certification, and preservation advanced identification methods. Now let's talk about how professionals confirm a non-magnetic 2006 Canadian cent. Step 1. Magnet test. A genuine non-magnetic cent shows zero attraction, slides freely when near a magnet. Any pull at all means it's the steel version. Step 2. Weight comparison. Non-magnetic cents are slightly lighter than steel cents. Precision scales are often used by dealers. Step 3. Sound test. When gently tapped on a wooden surface, non-magnetic cents produce a softer tone. Steel cents sound sharper. These subtle differences matter. Strike quality and mint technology. In 2006, the Royal Canadian Mint was experimenting with new plating techniques, faster striking speeds, cost-efficient production. This resulted in inconsistent strike pressure, variations in maple leaf detail, slight legend softness on some coins. High-quality strikes are therefore harder to find. Color, luster and surface analysis. Collectors evaluate three main surface qualities: red, RD, bright copper color, original mint luster. Extremely sensitive to fingerprints. Red-brown, RB, partial toning. Natural aging. Most commonly certified brown, BN, fully toned. Circulated appearance. Original color dramatically affects desirability. Why most examples are common. Here's an important truth. Millions of 2006 cents were produced. Most entered circulation immediately. Common problems include bag marks, contact scratches, oxidation. This is why only top-grade examples attract attention. Certified auction history. Auction houses do not gamble. They sell certified coins only. Coins with population data. Coins with documented grades. High prices are always tied to top condition. Strong eye appeal. Verified non-magnetic composition. Uncertified coins rarely appear in major auctions. Population report insights. Population reports reveal how many coins exist in each grade, how rare top survivors actually are. For 2006 non-magnetic cents, lower grades are common, top grades are scarce. Scarcity exists at the top, not the bottom. International demand explained. Canadian coins are popular worldwide because royal portraits attract global collectors. Mint records are transparent. Variations are well documented. Collectors from Europe, Asia, Middle East actively seek transitional Canadian coins. Long-term storage and preservation. Professional preservation rules: mylar flips only. No PVC holders. Stable temperature. Low humidity. Never stack copper coins. Surface damage is permanent. Educational value for collectors. This coin is often used to teach transitional metal identification. Market reality versus online rumors. Proper grading standards. It's a study coin, not a lottery ticket. Common online myths debunked. Let's address misinformation. Every 2006 cent is rare. All non-magnetic cents are valuable. Cleaning improves value. Condition decides everything. Certification matters. Knowledge protects collectors. Extended professional conclusion. The 2006 Canada 1 cent, non-magnetic, is historically transitional, educationally important. Selectively collectible, often misunderstood. True value exists only when condition, originality, certification align. Final continued close, trust building. At Coin Market Insider, our goal is clarity, not hype. Coins reward. Patient study, preservation. If you understand the coin, you control the outcome.